भी आप में क्या प्रॉब्लम है, क्या डिफिशियंसी लग रही है, चाहे वो विटामिन से रिलेटेड डिफिशियंसी हो या फिर आपको अच्छा लाइफ जीने में कुछ भी अगर मदद नहीं कर रहा, तो IV therapies are designed like that. So there are many other speciality of this. We are having two brands in this. One is House of Hydration, that is completely baby of Rhinomite. Team Rhinomite, हमारे सर दोनों, इनका है सारा composition. That is completely dedicated to the wellness, general wellness of anyone, any person. And the second product we are dealing with is a Timeless Monk. Timeless Monk is basically completely into cosmetology related things. That if you want glow, you want your skin to be very good, you want you to be very tight and very fit and whatever, not fit, in fact, fitness of the skin or any scars for taking care of. Again, this is also non-invasive procedures are there. So in that, I think Dr. Saab, whatever, if I am missing anything, you will add. So uske liye, we are into the Timeless Monk. So there are two type of things, two type of products that we are launching today. And I think it's a cutting edge wellness program, not available anywhere in India. There are two reasons for that. जो सबसे पहला रीजन है जो सर अभी हम लोग उसके AD भी दिखाएंगे, सर ने बोला हुआ. The first reason is that it's the first organization, first wellness company in India that gives you doorstep services. Suppose if you are not feeling good, feeling any problem, you can have that IV therapy right at the comfort of your home. What happens that many a times we move to hospital or clinic or somewhere, so there is an unknown type of stress going inside, don't know what is happening. In fact, nurses are walking through, कोई आ रहा है, कोई जा रहा है, कोई ट्रे लेके आ रहा है, कोई कुछ लेके आ रहा है, तो एक अननोन सा स्ट्रेस लोगों के अंदर होता है. And घर का comfort is something like you are in a home, at your peace and at your comfort basically. So we are trying to reach out to our clients very scientifically, very digitally. We are making an app basically. हमारे technical जो head हैं, Rajesh Gupta sir is there. So we are making an app. As soon as any interested clients comes in, suppose any lead is generated, we are sending the link to the patient. That link, as soon as he opens the link, an app is downloaded in his phone, iPhone or Android, whatever, and there are some questions about the patient, name, age, sex, whatever. So that vital things they have to fill in the form. And then if they have any medical history that they have to say, that they have to put there, then if any recent, you can say, blood test or any test is there, they can upload that report also. So there is a login process that comes directly to us, that comes directly to Rhinomite also. So they can just, on the fingertips only, they can access the patient. If this patient is having this allergy, or not having anything, completely fit and fine. His BMI is such and such. अभी आज हम लोग डिस्कस कर रहे थे कि कैसे एक पेशेंट का लेमैन तरीके से BMI भी हम निकाल सकते हैं. So उसका BMI क्या है, उसका हाइट क्या है, is he obese or not, obesity है कि नहीं, he is working out or not, जो vital सबसे क्वेश्चन है. So all the things are noted. उसका जो recent blood group और blood test है वो देख के भी सब लोग analyze करते हैं. So what composition should go good for him or her. And accordingly, we advise the patient that this we are going to give you. Then of course we want to ask the patient what exactly he or she is feeling about. She is feeling lack of energy, या उसको और भी कोई deficiency है, वो that the patient has to tell, and based on that we used to make the composition. So the two things that is very important, and I must say that it's first time in India कि एक तो आपके doorstep पे IV therapy, and second, according to your body composition, according to your need, the composition is made. जो पूरा IV का therapy है, वो बनाया जाता है आपको नजर पे रख के. ऐसा नहीं है बिल्कुल कि it is a common thing कि आपको grow करना है, इसके लिए ले लो आप, या वो ले लो, ये दवा ले लो. It is not. It is based on the body type. So third thing is that जो सबसे important है, and only Rhinomite has done this in India, is that they had made an assessment. They had categorized all the bodies in two types, I think, A type and B type. But तीसरा और भी है, ये भी कुछ. So they have categorized the body, and in a very simple method. थोड़े छोटा सा method में सर लोगों को समझ में आ जाता है कि ये body A type body है या B type body है. So now their study is that any medicine that is suited to B type, वो A type को नहीं चलेगा. A type का medicine को दूसरा को चलेगा, A type के body को B को अलग चलेगा. So they are that much mastery they had done in this field. And till today, in fact, in 5 years of journey, I think I am associated with Dr. Kanishk and Dr. Rasim since COVID time, 2020-21. In fact, 4-5 साल हो गए, 5 years. So today I am here with the Rimbok Wellness, but before that, 5 years the journey I have seen with them, and not a single complication I have seen, not a single. That's the biggest thing. So need your clapping for that. तो मेरे ख्याल से 5 साल में 100s के ऊपर तो मेरा खुद का ही IPO हो गया होगा. So not a single time, in fact, we had anything that is, and yes, that mantra I have taken from them. I have to work out. हमें work out करना ही होगा चाहे कुछ हो. So यहाँ से सोच हम लोगों की बदली, and general wellness के लिए Madhvi was thinking as a housewife, a journey from housewife, from a homemaker to an entrepreneur. A very interesting journey is there. So she was trying her hands, she was thinking of doing something. Since children are grew up now, कि वो लोग बड़े हो गए, कुछ हम लोग ऐसा करते हैं जो सबको दे सके, ऐसे सोसाइटी को we can pay back.